Propylene is the second largest volume chemical produced globally. It is the primary component used for making plastics, chemicals, packaging, and synthetic fibers. And China is the world's largest propylene-producing country. Traditionally, propylene is a byproduct of certain refining processes, but those processes no longer produce enough propylene to meet rising global demand. This propylene shortage has sparked investment in technology to create propylene from propane, also known as on-purpose propylene. To meet the global increasing demand for propylene, Oriental Energy has commissioned 2 facilities in China to produce each 600,000 tons on-purpose propylene per year through propane dehydrogenation.
Production of propylene from propane by dehydrogenation is a complex petrochemical process. The incoming gas is pressurized, heated, and contacted with the catalyst in a bank of reactors. The unreacted material is separated and looped back through the process. In the end, we get a valuable product that is in high demand by our industries. To run our plants economically, the flow through the reactors has to be precisely controlled. Having an efficient and powerful compressor train with a highly reliable motor drive system is crucial for our process and for our business. The heart of the entire PDH process is formed by 3 compressor trains. As part of the compressor trains, the quality of the motors and converters gave us what we expected: a stable, superior performance.
There is a 15-megawatt variable speed drive, and the motor is the first high-voltage, high-speed motor in China. There are 2 34-megawatt, 4-pole high-voltage motors.
Our compressors are running nearly all the time. They run reliably because the motors and converters from Siemens are running reliably. And at the end of the day, our productivity is increasing when everything is running reliably.
There is a Siemens GL150 medium voltage frequency converter, which is the largest converter in China, even power-wise. The frequency converter is controlling and optimizing the motors in the compressor trains. There is a GM150 low voltage frequency converter, which is designed as a special tandem solution. This special design is the first one in the world, and it gives the possibility to feed power to the motors from 2 sides.
The compressor trains were a good and necessary investment because they are very energy efficient. For us, Siemens is a trusted partner, especially when it comes to quality.